Hey everyone, this is Rachel and welcome to my 5-year YouTube-aversary giveaway. Woo! All right, I'm being a little silly. I've done this video a couple times now because I can't think of words, so bear with me. So this is November 1st, 2019. I am celebrating my 5 years on YouTube this month. So I thought I would give my subscribers something back for watching all my videos and dealing with all my awkward talking and the cat randomly walking all over my stuff by doing a giveaway. Before you do anything, please pay attention to the rules because they are pretty specific. So it is November 1st. You have until November 28th, 2019 to enter the contest. I'll go into how to do that in a minute because you guys have to do something specific in order to I don't want to say apply for the prize, but to enter the contest. Okay, so you have to respond by November 28th, 2019. That is American Thanksgiving. And I will have a video, either it'll be live or it'll be taped, I'm not quite sure yet, on either the 29th or the 30th. If you are one of the winners, you have until December 4th to respond. If you do not respond by December 4th, 2019, I will pick another winner. Depending on your username, I am not always able to contact you via Facebook or anything like that. If you have, Scrappy as your username, there's really not a way to contact you if you don't answer through YouTube. So if you do not respond by December 4th, I will simply pick another winner. Another rule, you do need to be a subscriber of mine. So as this is supposed to be a thank you for being a subscriber, you do need to be a subscriber. All right, so let's talk about what the prizes are, and then I will explain how to enter the contest. So I purchased 3 Hip Kit grab bags, and these just came this way. I didn't reorganize anything. I didn't mix anything up. It's just they came in these bags, and this is how they came. This kit I'm calling the Double Page Dream. In this kit, it actually came every single piece of paper. There are 2 pieces of each pattern. So that means that you can make, I think there's like 14 or 16 pieces. Oh no, I think there's 14 plus a single vellum piece. Double page layouts quite easily. So I'm calling this Double Page Dream. Now, as I said, they are grab bags. They are not kits that go together. They are various designers, various timelines. Like this one's a little bit older. This is the Simple Stories Summer Vibes. So that's 3 or 4 years old. But then we also have some newer product as well. This one in the center, I'm calling Mini Mixed Media. It has 2 distress oxides as well as a stencil. It also has this set of Vicky Bouton stickers, some of which can be watercolored. So if you're someone who wants a little bit of mixed media, you would choose Mini Mixed Media. It also has just regular papers as well. And then this one I'm calling Tiny Bit Trendy. It has a lot of just a really trendy American crafts. It does actually have some of brand new Chamel Field Trip, a couple of pieces of paper in there, plus the majority of items are just very trendy. So these are the 3 kits you can choose from when you want to enter the contest. These are for US addresses only. I cannot ship internationally. Instead, my 4th prize is going to be a $15 gift certificate to the scrapbooking store of your choice from your whatever you purchase from, as long as I can buy it here in the US. If I can figure out how to get a gift certificate to whatever scrapbooking store you want me to buy one, I will buy it for you. But if I can't manage to buy it, you will have to choose something else. So what you're going to do is on this video, and this video only is the only video you can comment on where it will get you an entry into the contest. You can obviously comment on whatever video you want. It will not, however, get you an entry into this contest. But in order to be entered into the contest, you don't have to like have a comment plus it. You can just comment with what I'm talking about. But you do have to name one of these kits or international. If you are in the US, please do not choose international. Number one, I won't send it to you. Number two, that's not fair to my international viewers. So if you are someone who doesn't want a grab bag, thank you for watching, but that's not the contest I'm running today. Okay, so you must comment double page dream, mini mixed media, or tiny bit trendy. So you do have to choose which one you want. And you can only enter once. So if I see a duplicate one, I will simply delete the second one. So make your choice. Think about it. Are you one who makes double pages? Are you one who enjoys mixed media? Are you one who likes the single page trends going on? And that is going to be what you have to do. So you must be a subscriber. You must reply by November 28th, 2019. And you must comment with which of the bags you would like to get, or that you are international. All right. Thank you guys so much for joining me here. Thank you for being my subscriber, whether you are a brand new subscriber or you've been with me since the beginning. You guys are all awesome. I really do appreciate everything, whether you comment, whether you flick me thumbs up, whether you just watch, everything. I really appreciate all of it. So thank you guys once again. Thank you, YouTube, for letting me do this for 5 years and not kicking me off because I'm too dumb and I do things wrong. All right, ladies and gentlemen, bye.